Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Solo J. I'm Isai de la Cruz, and my son's going to help me install aftermarket hood to my 2018 F-150 5.0. So stay tuned, watch the channel. Open up my aftermarket hood so we can look at it. Came from California, so let's see if it came on in good condition.
Looking for the shade where the trees have died, trying to find my way to the peace inside, until I'm home. Oh, 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 oh. Until I'm home. Oh, 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 oh. Walking down this road till I'm home.
Please, take the things that bring hurt, grief. They told me greed won't bring worth. I heard that, never learned that. Foolish of me not to turn back. It's easy cause you see the real me. The cost of my soul, is it worth that? I'm skating on thin ice, and my hope is within Christ. I can't take a step without struggle. Each time it's like playing dice. Pressure keep pressing me now. By now I should have been drowned. Somehow I keep walking on water. Your love, it won't let me down. This world is death, you gave me breath. Told me I'm blessed. I try my best, God I confess, I need your help.
We already opened up the hood, and we got 2 bolts here and 2 bolts over there, and the bolt is 13 millimeter. We're gonna unscrew this, and we're gonna need I'm gonna use a marker so I can line it here. That way, if I ever want to put this hood back, it'll be at the right place on both sides. Mark it on both sides. Doesn't look very good, but it's better than nothing. That way you'll know. And right here is my 5-volt air raid, and that's it for now. Now back, and me and my son already installed the aftermarket hood. We had to align a little bit. Hopefully that's good for when we take it to the painter. Now let's take a closer look. I'm gonna pick up the hood. I'm gonna get my marker and I'm gonna remark it. That way it'll be easier for the painter when I take it to the painter to get painted. Maybe he likes these lines. If not, he can do it on himself. I'm gonna do the other side also. And after that, we're gonna take these rubbers off and this pin so we can put in our aftermarket hood. And tell me what you guys think. Let me close it so you guys can check it out. I like it. I think it looks mean. Hello guys, Solo J. Here's my truck. What we did, me and my son, and please like and subscribe and ring the bell. Come check it out for a little bit, and see you next time.